After signing up for Envato marketplace, you have monthly free items to be downloaded for free. You don't have to pay even a dime. They sent me a message for general free item to be downloaded. Mostly you have more than one items to be downloaded. You can choose from the ones those that you want and download. The item costs $39 and currently they've sent it for me as free. So you just have to log into your Code Canyon or Envato marketplace, then click on download to download. This one is an e-commerce website. This is it.